Furry, the little penguins that could, teaching about friendship, ability, and inclusion. Written by Ann Yurchek. Illustrated by Jody Culp. Made in Minneapolis, USA. Better Endings, New Beginnings Publishers. Chapter 11, Snack Penguin. Mac, who finally had a name, watched me. And I watched Mac. We wanted to be together. Something exciting was about to happen. Teacher took me off the shelf and said, "Mac, this is Snack. He is your special friend and wants to eat and play with you." I could not believe my stuffing muffins. I am Snack, a penguin who has a name. No Stuffies in kindergarten had names. Happy, happy, joy, joy. I have a boy of my own. In kindergarten, Stuffies share all of the children. No one has ever had a child of their own, much less a real name. This was upside down impossible. Snack, me, has a real job? A job just for me. Oh, my stuffing muffins. I am Snack, and that is Mac. And Mac and Snack have each other's backs. That's a wrap. We learned to rhyme in kindergarten. Every day the children learn and play with the Stuffies. Some days Lion plays with Dog. Some days Goose honks after Cow. Stuffies have many adventures with the children. Now Mac and I can begin our adventures. Mac, Mac, oh my stuffins, what did I hear? I can listen and hear you. Do you hear me? This was new. My boy has a name, and I do too. Mac and Snack, and Snack and Mac. And when Mac is with Snack, he will not lack. That's a penguin snack fact. Ugh, I'm such a silly rhyming penguin. Every day, Mac sat in his chair off to the side of the room by his tall table. He was no longer alone. He had me. He had Snack. And I had him. Everybody needs a somebody, and I, Snack, am Mac's somebody. I wondered if the other littles had names too. One day, Teacher had a penguin idea to play a game with Mac. She whispered me the rules, and I gave her a wing up. That's a thumbs up penguin style. For Mac, I will do anything. Mac did not like to eat. And eating is very, 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 very important to keep Mac growing. The game went like this. Mac got the snack, and Snack, that's me, snatched the snack from Mac. To keep me from snatching the snack, Mac had to eat it. Teacher broke up the pieces of food using my beak, doink, 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 and I pretended to gobble it down with a peck, peck, peck. Penguins prefer fish, and penguins do not peck like a chick. The hiding and swiping game worked well to make sure Mac remembered to eat. And we had fun. Penguins like to borrow things that are not theirs. Penguins are obsessed with having trinkets of their own. In the wild, a penguin will have a pebble, and the other penguins will try to grab the other penguin's pebbles. All day, small rocks will move from penguin to penguin. Penguins have beaks. We do not have pockets or pouches to hold things like other animals. Sea otter stores his favorite rock or bits of food in his pouch. And chipmunk can pack so many nuts in his cheek, his face can look enormous. Kangaroos, koalas, wombats, or possums hold their babies in pouches. We all figure out ways to work with what we are given. Oh, there I go again. I digressed. Just saying, I got off track or went down another path. Or in stories. It means I just started talking about something completely different because the idea popped into my head. Woo-hoo. Penguins struggle with staying on track. Let's get back to the story.